Oh, ini Siladen. 9?
3 islands. 4,
Yes.
5. Look at that small little dot island over there.
Oh, there is someone stay there, Matthew.
Where?
That island only.
In the small little
See,
island.
to the island. See here.
Under that,
Lumba-lumba.
See.
which person is staying on which island?
Memang ini utang di bawah sini kan utang.
Matthew.
You come, don't go that side. Utang ini mah utang sekali kemana ini.
This morning.
Hi guys, can you see that it's a beautiful place on the top of the mountain Tumpa in Manado, and you can see all the islands here together. The big one you see in front is called Manado Tua, that is second kind of Manado. And let me zoom it for you guys to show you better. It's a big island actually, and then this small island you see, it's called Bunaken. Okay, it's a very beautiful place. A lot of people go for diving over there. And then so far you see another island, it's called Siladen. Okay, and there is a small island, I don't know this name particularly, the small one, but behind the one there is a big one, as you can see, that is called Siladen. Okay, and the far one is called 9. This is island 9. So you see how small islands, and then the ocean is very big over there. That's it.